Imagine a world where Zeus, the king of the gods, never overthrew his father Cronus. This alternate reality would transform the very fabric of Greek mythology, altering the destinies of gods and mortals alike. In this alternate timeline, Cronus remains the supreme ruler of the cosmos, unchallenged by his children. Known for his tyranny and fear of being overthrown, Cronus continues to swallow each of his offspring at birth to prevent any threat to his throne. The golden age he once promised to the Titans has turned into an era of dread and oppression, with the gods trapped within his stomach, unable to fulfill their destinies. Without Zeus to lead a rebellion, the gods remain imprisoned within Cronus. The world of Olympus is eerily silent, devoid of the divine activity that once animated it. The mighty Hera, wise Athena, and valiant Ares are all mere shadows of their potential. Their powers remain untapped, and the mortal world feels the absence of their influence. The balance between chaos and order is disrupted, leaving mortals to fend for themselves in a world without divine guidance. Make sure to subscribe for more interesting content. With Zeus absent, the Titans hold undisputed power. Prometheus, known for his compassion for humanity, finds himself torn between loyalty to his kin and a desire to aid mortals. He decides to defy Cronus in secret, sharing his knowledge of fire and civilization with mankind. However, without the protection of Zeus, Prometheus's acts of defiance are met with severe punishment, leaving humanity to suffer the wrath of the Titans. The mortal world, deprived of the benevolent influence of the gods, falls into chaos. With no patron deities to guide them, cities crumble and civilizations falter. The arts, sciences, and philosophies that flourished under the gods' patronage wither away. Mortals live in constant fear, worshipping Cronus out of desperation rather than reverence. The once promised golden age is now a dark era where hope is scarce and despair reigns supreme. In the absence of divine intervention, mortal heroes emerge to challenge the tyranny of Cronus. Figures like Hercules, Achilles, and Odysseus rise from the shadows, driven by an innate sense of justice and a desire to restore balance. These heroes, though lacking the direct support of the gods, find strength in unity and resilience. Their legendary quests become beacons of hope, inspiring mortals to rise against the oppressive rule of the Titans. As the struggle between mortals and Titans reaches its climax, a prophecy emerges, foretelling the rise of a new savior from within Cronus's own lineage. This prophecy ignites a spark of rebellion within the gods trapped inside him. Hera, Athena, and the others find ways to communicate with the mortal heroes, guiding them through dreams and omens. The unity between gods and mortals grows stronger, setting the stage for a final confrontation. In this alternate reality, the overthrow of Cronus becomes a collective effort, not just the act of a single god. The combined strength of mortals and gods, driven by hope and resilience, eventually topples the tyrant. Zeus, finally freed, leads the gods in establishing a new order, one where both divine and mortal realms coexist in harmony. This tale of struggle and triumph reminds us that even in the darkest times, hope and unity can lead to a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this imaginative journey through an alternate Greek mythology. What other what-if scenarios would you like us to explore? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mythological adventures.